To record your Zoom meeting with video and audio, first of all, you have to download and install the OBS Studio. So go to your browser and search for OBS Studio, and all you have to need, open the OBS website and select here your operating system and just download the OBS installer. It's easy to install the OBS Studio on your computer. Just install it. Once you successfully installed the OBS Studio, launch the OBS Studio just like this, and you directly jump into this kind of interface. So this is your OBS. Now here we have to add our Zoom video and audio sources. So under sources section, just click on this plus icon and here select window capture. Click on OK and click on this window drop down, and here you have to select Zoom meeting. Once you selected Zoom meeting, if you want to record your Zoom capture, then check this option and click on OK. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added my Zoom meeting under the sources section. Now to record our Zoom audio also, we have to add our Zoom audio in the source section. So again, click on this plus icon, and to record your Zoom audio output, select here audio output capture, click on OK, and device, select here your device and click on OK. And to record your microphone audio, click on this plus icon, select audio input capture, OK, and select here your microphone and just click on OK. Once you successfully added your Zoom video and audio sources, now just click on start recording. And now this OBS software is started to record your Zoom meeting. Now all you have to need to stop your recording, just click on stop recording. Now open your file explorer, and in this left hand menu open the video folder, and here you will find your OBS meeting or OBS video with OBS sound. That's it.